I'm making my asparagus and Dubliner cheese tartlets, which I'm very excited about. They're a beautiful starter. So I've got my asparagus spears that I've snapped off already and cleaned, and I'm just going to dress them with some oil, some lovely light oil. Canola oil or vegetable oil is perfect. And then next I'm putting on some beautiful fresh lemon zest over them. Lemon and asparagus are so gorgeous together. And then next I'm putting in some crushed garlic sprinkled on top, followed by some good quality sea salt and some seaweed pepper, which is ground seaweed mixed with black pepper. So I'm just brushing my tartlet molds with a little bit of oil. I've got some ready-made short crust pastry and rolling out. And then I want to line them with pastry and just make sure that the pastry goes right back in to the bottom edges of the dish, and then press it down like so. Help it along with a knife. So once you've lined all the tartlet molds with the pastry, you need to get some parchment paper or greaseproof paper, enough to cover it and a little bit over. And then you fill it with any kind of beans that you want, like baking beans, but you can also use like mixed dried beans like I have done there. And then you pop them onto a baking tray. And basically what these beans do is they stop the pastry from rising. So it's called blind baking. So I'm popping the asparagus that's got the lemon and the oil and the garlic in it and sea salt and pepper in at the same time as these. And you just need them to cook for 10 minutes. So while the asparagus is roasting and the tarts are blind baking, I'm going to make up the egg mixture with the Dubliner cheese. So you grate in this beautiful creamy Dubliner cheese into a bowl, and then I'm going to whisk in some eggs and some cream. So in go my eggs, whisk them all together and season with pepper and some lovely sea salt. I'm taking the asparagus out of the oven and just setting them aside. And then these guys, they need to go back into the oven, but without the beans. So this is basically what I do. So very carefully lift them out, and I put them right in like this, so that the next time I'm using these tartlets, I can just take them directly and put them back in. And then these go back into the oven for another 10 minutes. So out come your tartlets. What I want to do is load them up with gorgeous asparagus. So cut down the asparagus to fit your tartlets. And then next I'm just going to ladle in the Dubliner cheese, egg and cream mixture on top. And then they go back into the oven for the last time. Ooh, these look gorgeous. Now, wouldn't you like to be coming to my house for supper? For me, because my tartlet molds are so pretty, I'd serve them just like this. My asparagus and Dubliner cheese tartlets that smell amazing. Beautiful as a starter and beautiful as a lunch main course as well. The recipe is below. Make sure you comment and let me know how they turned out for you when you cook them. Check out my playlist for lots of other ideas for cooking your suppers. From me to you, and lots of love. I'll see you soon. Mwah.